on It's Vegan, I'm going to show you how to take vegan yogurt and turn it into cream cheese. The process is fairly simple. I'm using a canning jar, a wide mouth, and I'm taking a piece of fabric. This particular one is very much like a muslin, so I'm putting it into the jar. Then I'm taking just the ring, and that ring is holding my fabric in place. I'm using two different types today just to show you that different brands work, and you can even mix them. I haven't been able to find plain yogurt, and I have a couple ways that I'll use it when it turns into cream cheese. I'm using the vanilla. You can see that one brand is very white, and this brand has a tan color. And it's okay if it piles up a little bit. The liquid is going to be coming off, and it will just sink into the fabric. I'm patting it down right now by tapping the bottom. I'm going to clean off the top. I have a little piece of paper towel. I want to clean off the little bit that's spilled over the edge. And then while it's in the refrigerator, I'm just putting a lid on top, and don't press it down yet, but it will end up falling down. Now put it in the refrigerator for 4 or 5 days. We will be back then to show you what happens. This is day 5, and it's time to take out the cream cheese. I'm going to show you the process. On day 4, I took the metal lid off and just scraped the fabric over the top to help the top of the yogurt get a little thicker and drain some more liquid. So now I'm pulling back the fabric. You can see the consistency. Then I'm going to carefully lift it up and just turn it upside down on this plate. Now, it's not as thick as purchased cream cheese, but it's much thicker than yogurt, and it has a delicious, sweet, mellow taste. I want to show you the spreading consistency of this cream cheese so you don't compare it to a Philadelphia cream cheese. So that's the consistency of it. This is cranberry orange bread, and it tastes great on this. And then something else that I did with the cream cheese, just to give you an idea, I toasted a bagel and put it on there. Now this is a vanilla flavored cream cheese, so you would want to have it complement something that would be sweet. I bought these little shells, and this is the process of making these, and they're a sweet little dessert. First the cream cheese, strawberries, some chocolate sauce, and then topped off with almond milk Reddi-wip. This concludes this week's exciting It's Vegan. See you next week.